Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to display your WordPress post in grid layout. So a very simple and basic way. Sign in your dashboard, then hover cursor to plugins. Here click on add new, search post grid. Now find out this one, post grid. Click on install now. Then click on activate. Now in this left side panel, find out post grid. Click on all post grid. Click on add new. Give name. Here you can change and customize settings for this post grid, like grid settings, item style. So change as your choice. Then click on publish. Now view this post grid. That's it. So as we can see, we have all post in grid format. I have not images for this post, but if you have the images, so it will look verified. So thanks for watching, and please comment this video useful for you or not.